So, you're encountering that pesky and unexpected error occurred message when logging into Instagram on your iPhone. No worries, you don't need to dial tech support just yet. I've got some solutions that might do the trick. Let's jump right in and sort this out. Solution 1, check if your internet is okay. To do this, open up any browser you fancy. Go ahead and visit a website to see if it loads properly. If not, pop your phone into airplane mode for a few tricks, then switch it off. Now check if that error has bit farewell. You can also give switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data a whirl. Oh, and don't forget using a VPN might just work its magic too. Solution 2, offload Instagram. For this one, head over to your settings, then scroll down till you spot General, then tap on it. Next up, tap on iPhone storage. Keep scrolling until you find Instagram, then give it a tap. Then hit that offload app button. Next, tap offload app once more. Poof, Instagram is offloaded. Now simply tap on reinstall app to get it back. Once it's all set, check if the problem has vanished. Solution 3, reset network settings. To do this, open up your trusty settings app again, then scroll down until you see General and tap on it. Next, scroll a tad more and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, hit Reset, followed by Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings. Your network settings will now be reset. Hopefully that error is now a thing of the past. If not, a quick Instagram password reset might do the trick. And there you have it. That's how you can bid adieu to an unexpected error occurred on Instagram for your iPhone. If this video helped you out, go ahead and show that like button some love. Any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.